Hi, Christian here. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be making schnitzel served over cauliflower rice. Let's get started, shall we? But first, I'm going to take a sip of my beer. In tonight's recipe, you're going to need 1 pork chop, boneless, pounded flat, seasoned with salt and pepper. You're going to need flour, egg, and panko breadcrumbs. You're also going to need cauliflower and salt and pepper. Also, let's get started, shall we? Now folks, I want to make sure you know that this dish will take about 20 minutes. You are going to need a pan with some olive oil for frying, and then you're also going to need a separate pan for sautéing the cauliflower rice. Before we get started, let's take another sip of that beer. Now that the pork is pounded and seasoned with salt and pepper, you're going to dredge it in flour first. Both sides. Then the egg wash. And the panko. Repeat it. Now that it's coated, you want to put it in the oil. You will fry it on each side for about 1.5 minutes. Once it's done, you just set it aside and keep it on the warmer. I think this is a great time to take another sip of that beer. Next, we want to rice the cauliflower. You want to do this in small pieces. Ready? Wow, that was a lot of work. I think it's a great time to take another sip of that beer. Now that you have your cauliflower riced and chopped in fine pieces, you're going to take your pan with olive oil, medium heat, roll it around, throw it on. And fry it lightly. Let it saute for another minute. While that's occurring, you can prep some additional herbs. I use fresh green onions, what's wonderful about this dish is that lemon is actually required to be served with it. So I'm going to use a lemon for both the cauliflower rice and also the schnitzel. Let me show you how this is done. Pour out the lemon. We're going to use half for the schnitzel and half for the cauliflower. And that's that. Now that everything is ready to be served, you want to plate it cauliflower first, then the schnitzel on top, certified lemon wedges. Guys, thank you for joining me tonight. Hope you enjoy the recipe. And as usual, don't forget to take a sip of that beer. Mmm.